Do you ever feel like your brain is broken? Like no matter what you do, you can't stay focused, you can't get motivated, and everything feels just too much. You're not lazy. You're not stupid. Your brain, it's been hijacked. And today, we're going to figure out how to take it back. Let's start with the truth. Your brain isn't what it used to be. Thanks to constant notifications, endless scrolling, and the pressure to always be on, we've created the perfect storm for something I like to call brain rot. Did you know the average person checks their phone 96 times a day? That's once every 10 minutes. And every time you switch tasks, scrolling TikTok, checking your texts, or glancing at your email, it takes your brain nearly 25 minutes to refocus. No wonder we feel fried. Meet Sarah, a 20-year-old college student. She's sitting down to write a term paper, but after 5 minutes, she gets a notification. Boom! She's on Instagram, scrolling through Reels. Before she knows it, 2 hours have passed, and the paper barely started. Sound familiar? Your brain is hardwired for survival, not social media. When you get a notification, your brain releases a burst of dopamine, a chemical that makes you feel good. It's the same system that activates when you eat junk food or win a game. The problem? These dopamine hits trick your brain into thinking you're being productive, even when you're not. Studies have shown that excessive screen time changes your brain structure, especially in areas linked to focus and impulse control. In other words, your brain is getting rewired to crave distraction. Let's talk about the cost of brain rot. It's not just about wasting time. It's about losing control of your life. Poor focus leads to bad grades, skipped workouts, and lost relationships. Worst of all, it kills your confidence. You start to believe you're incapable of achieving anything meaningful. But here's the good news. This is fixable. All right, enough of the bad news. Let's talk solutions. To unfuck your brain, you need to rebuild your focus, break the cycle of distraction, and reconnect with your goals. It's going to take work, but it's worth it. Let's start with step 1. The first step is creating mental space. Write down all the tasks cluttering your brain. Studies show that writing things down reduces stress and improves focus. You don't need a fancy app. Just a pen and paper will do. Meet Jack. He was drowning in responsibilities until his mom suggested something simple. Write it down. By organizing his thoughts, he started feeling less overwhelmed and more in control. Your brain loves rewards, so use them wisely. Set a timer for focused work. 30 minutes is a great start. And when the timer goes off, reward yourself. Maybe it's a quick walk, a snack, or 5 minutes of social media. The key is to make productivity more rewarding than distraction. To truly unfuck your brain, you need to build resilience. This means training your mind to push through discomfort. Whether it's working out, studying, or tackling a tough conversation, resilience is what separates success from stagnation. Mindfulness and self-reflection are powerful tools for mental clarity. Research shows that just 10 minutes of meditation a day can reduce stress and improve focus. Pair this with journaling to track your progress and keep your goals front and center. Your brain isn't broken, it's just been misused. With the right tools, you can take control, rediscover your focus, and create the life you want. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you commit to unfucking your brain, the results will blow your mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Let's unfuck our brains together.